In this video, I will show with you how to log in online in PBZ banking. So if you want to log in online, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for PBZ. This is for the bank. Click the first result here. After that, you will see login page from here. Just click login. From here, you have login online banking. You have two options here, user number and password. For the user number, write your user number here, guys. Username here. After that, write your password and one time. So guys, you have two options here, your username and password. Just click on your username. In this case, guys, after that, write your unique password. So, and this is how you can do. Click English here, translate, log in, write your username here, and then write your password. If you want to log in through your app, you can download this app on Google Play. After download this app on Google Play, you can use and you can log in with your app. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content. So if you have any question down below in the comments, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. Just in case, guys, write your user ID and then write your password here in this case. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you soon.